I would request our President Ajay Sharma ji, one of the most respectable person and guiding light for all of us, and also the current President of AMDWA, to welcome our esteemed guests and also to briefly share with us the past journey and future vision of AMDWA. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Ajay ji on the stage.
To our distinguished guests and my dear fellow MFDs, good morning and a very warm welcome to AMDWA's Knowledge Summit 2024, Udbhav, the Evolution. Special thanks to Air Marshal Haris Masan sir, Ganesh Mohan sir, MD and CEO of Bajaj Finserv, Balakrishna sir, Deputy CEO of AMFI, and galaxy of speakers who will be descending today for taking their precious time out to share their pearls of wisdom with all of us. Foundation of AMDWA was laid in March 2016 in Central Park in CP, New Delhi. Our visionary founding members created AMDWA to provide for a conducive working environment for mutual fund distributors and other participants of the industry to offer best professional services to our investors. And hard work done by all the previous president members and all of you, आज जो AMDWA जिस ऊंचाई पे है, आप इस ऊंचाई की जो पूरा का पूरा क्रेडिट इन सब लोगों की मेहनत को है जिन्होंने आज हमें ये प्लेटफॉर्म बना के दिया कि we can gather together at such and have such a grand event. In 2023, we conducted many training programs for our members, including some certification program and CPs in New Delhi and many other neighboring cities. We also conducted Samvad, a dialogue between journal heads of various mutual fund companies and members of our governing body to explore areas where we can work together to provide better services and update our knowledge to our investors. We also explored areas for upskilling as well as education of our investors for all budding as well as flourishing MFDs. The three key ingredients to succeed in today's world are ethics, knowledge, and technology. And this applies to our profession as well. To help our members evolve in the above three areas, we plan to conduct online and offline training programs in these areas so that our members keep abreast with the latest developments in these fields. Last year, we had AMFI Chairman Bala sir and Kailash Kulkarni sir, CEO of HSBC Mutual Fund, among others, who shared their views on changing dynamics of our industry and investors' behavior at our Parivartan or Change the New Age, New Direction Summit. Over the period, industry and the investors have evolved a lot, and we need to keep ourselves abreast and updated with these evolutions. So is this year's theme, Udbhav, the Evolution. 18 eminent speakers today will share their mantras on how do we evolve and adapt to this rapidly changing environment which has an overload of information, a vast array of financial products, and a very diverse set of investors. I assure you, today is going to be an amazing day for all of us to pick up many new learnings from our learned speakers. Before I conclude, I thank all our sponsors to support us for conducting this summit, and please don't forget to visit the exhibition area where they have put up stall, and you can collect information on their offerings. You can check with them and get whatever information you want from them. You will be having their representatives at their stalls. Thank you very much.
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।